Okay, it will show like this. It will take a time to do some work like a futures installation. So it is only depends upon your DVD like that. It is not compulsory. While you are installing, options are also depends upon your machines only. Okay. Now you can see. Also, I started this part of record. Okay. Let it go. Let then also came. Okay, so it is keep on going like that. So once it is finished, again it will show like a use express settings like that. Okay, it shows use express settings. So meanwhile I'll pause the recording. Again it is loading this framewares and updates and something. Okay. Okay, now it is back. Okay, now it is starting. Show the screen, so clearly see the screen. Okay, guys, now it is showing use express settings. Use express settings. Click on use express settings. That's it. We will get a one by one messages. Hi, we are happy you are here. Okay, so Windows 10 is very happy because you are here. At least someone is happy. Getting critical updates. And if you are connected to internet, usually it little bit take time because it's try to load from internet everything. Okay. Take little bit time. Okay. As I already said, there is no promised timing here. So sometimes it will take less time, sometimes it will take more time. It depends upon PC situations and some other aspects we don't know because I have a lot of dealing with Windows 8. So Windows 8 really sometimes very fast, sometimes very slow. Installation is correct, but post installation, the use express settings, so post installation set. Okay, so now it is this backing moment. Hi, we are happy you are here. This kind of stuff. This is our post installation. So in a post installation, actually what happened? It will check with your generic drivers and try to adjust your screen, creating user profiles. Actually, it will create a user profiles in that one. So environment like that. So user profile not yet created. It will create whenever I given a username, the user profile is going to be created. So then it is connected to internet. So then it is showing a join Azure Active Directory or local Active Directory. For example, I am in working in an organization and there is a Active Directory domain controller is there. Active Directory domain controller or a domain Active Directory servers are there. Authentication servers, Microsoft Authentication Server. I want to use. I have account in that one. I want to use that account in my Windows 10. I can use directly. Okay. Next, Azure is a cloud. Cloud-based Active Directory information is there. I can use it. Okay. So these things, local Active Directory domain, I will explain in your server 2016. Azure Active Directory, I will explain in a Azure time only. Okay. Currently, you can select anything, no problem. I am selecting second one. or you can select anything, no problem. Just select anyone, click on next, nothing will happen. Okay. Okay. So like this it will come. If it is not came like this, if it is not came like this, so create an account for this account. If you want to use a password, use something that will easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. So this is a local account I'm creating here. Okay. So this is a local account I'm creating. Okay. Sometimes it will won't show. Sometimes it won't show. It shows. Oh, I'm going back. If I go to the first option, then I'm going to next. See, choose this option if your organization use Office 365 or other business service from Microsoft. Okay, like that. So I can use it, but I don't use it. This is for my. See, it is asking for Office 365 account, my company mail account merging and all. So I don't want to use that one, or I don't have it. Anything. You can go to set up a Windows with local account. You can see from here. Set up a Windows with a local account. You can click on it. Okay, set up a local account. Set up a Windows with local account. So same came. So I'm giving a first account name is student. First account name is student. I'm not giving any password. Okay, I'm giving password. Password is admin at the rate 123. Admin at the rate 123. Password is admin. Okay, password hint is admin, so then I can guess what it is. Admin at the rate 123, admin at the rate 123, admin, and I've given a password is student. Okay, next. So username is student, password is admin at the rate 123, password hint is admin. Okay, so it is not compulsory in Windows. In Windows, not required a password. Only for a certain security reason. Administrator account, first account, the first account when you are installing operating system, first account you create that automatically administrator of the Windows machine. Okay, so your Windows machines administrator account is student only. Now student is the administrator. Okay, yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. Now I created a user account now. So after creating user account, the user's profile data is going to be created. Means background settings, directories in your machine that will be created like a Windows 7 XP, my computer, my desktop, my documents, my pictures, my why it is my means the users documents, users pictures, like that. Okay, so I will put it in a little bit pause mode, so then meanwhile I put a resume. So once it is completed, you can see installing drivers and all. In a physical machine or a laptop, once you are install operating system, so you have to check with your previous drivers or already copied drivers into pen drive or a CD. Best one is keep the CD in a healthy mode and the driver CD. So it better to install with the CD only. Pen drives are very prone to this virus effect. Okay. Yeah, it is completed. Okay, I'm again. Uh, oh shit! Anyways, second part is completely disaster. Anyway, but VMware tools part only missing. Now it is okay. Restarting that is won't make much time. So I think so. You guys are understand how to install VMware tools. If you don't understand, I will tell you again. No problem. But I can't do now. I can't do now because already I installed it. Okay. Otherwise, I have to reinstall it. That's it. Okay, this is my Windows 10 virtual machine, the student account. Okay, better not to give your own name because your PC also having your name, virtual machine also having your name. That is, you will get confused. Don't try to confuse your machine and virtual machine. Otherwise, change the background. Okay, I'm using default theme of Windows 10 in my virtual machine. In my physical machine, I put this kind of theme, so I can easily recognize. Okay, I can easily recognize these much of data is there in my physical desktop. Okay. Now it is clear screen. And what is the advantage of using that one? I feel one advantage, so I will show you this one. See, I want to copy this file to my virtual machine. So click it. When you got this plus symbol, if you got this arrow with the plus symbol, just leave it. Now the data is copied onto your screen. See, data is copied. So that's why we should install a VMware tools. Now we can see reinstall. Reinstall means already installed. Cancel install means this installation is going on. Install means install fresh. Okay. I hope you got understand. If you don't understand, no problem. I will create another virtual machine for you. Okay. People are there, Niranjan and anybody. Okay, unable to download this Windows 10 image. Okay, guys, not at all a problem.